Under Settings, select Doc Settings. We have the following options. First, we can set the time period when a controlled document should be added to the owner's workflow before it's due for review. As we can see, it is currently set to 5 days before. Toggle whether to allow users to share files on the system. When uploading, you can select whether you want documents to be controlled by default. Next, we can toggle whether the read and understood automation can only be applied to controlled documents, which will exclude normal documents from this function. You can select whether you require signatures for document review and approval to be on or off. This setting requires all app issues to be signed during the review and approval stage. When the setting is off, review and approval can continue without any signatures. You can set a default header or footer for any QDoc. To set this up, click Add Configuration. We can add up to 5 fields in the header or footer. To do this, so under the header, if we click Add Fields, we might want the version number and maybe the doc owner's name. And then for the page footer, we might select publish date and a page number. Now these fields will be shown in all QDocs when you export them to PDF. Next, we can choose whether standard app issue tasks are turned on. To set this up, click Edit Actions. And this gives you a choice of what the action should be preset to. For example, create a task, start a form, start a process, or populate a register row. As an example, let's look at this existing action. So we've got the action preset to start a form, the action title, and the form that will automatically be added to the user's tasks. Underneath it asks whether we want to allow users to create ad hoc actions. We can choose from either no or yes. Then the last 3 options apply to the application view users. So the option allows application view users to download files. When this setting is on, application view users, including free users, will be able to download documents from the doc library. When the setting is off, however, view users will only be able to view documents on the system. And the same applies for the last 2 options. We can allow application view users to upload files to the doc library or not, and also whether we want view users to be able to print files from the doc library or not.